We are going to be unboxing this microphone stand. Say it's a vocal stand, and it's also a phone holder, as you can see on the picture. And I got it from Nomi's collection, but this is not her nylon because I'm seeing NG Gold Organic Skincare, and I didn't order anything, okay, from Organic Skincare. But that was a lie. Okay, this is what the stand looks like. It's very small. Okay, let me, in a picture, like when you're seeing it online, you might think that it's big, but you know this sugar packet of sugar, that's the way the size is, as in like that's the way it is, that's the size of the box. Okay, so now I'm just going to be opening this stuff. Let's open and see. Okay, this is the stuff. This is the phone clip, though it's looking kind of old. I've not used it, I just got it from her. I'm just coming back, so it's looking kind of old, but it's fine. It's supposed to, I feel that because the last tripod I bought, even the phone stand, the phone that I bought, it was inside like this waterproof stuff for here. So this is, we have this one, so I'll take it out. I'm going to put that aside. We have this, I think, because I saw the video where you can push this up, push this down, so your phone can either be like, if you're making a cooking video, I think that's what it's supposed. I saw it in the video and I was looking at the video, so that's what it is. So we have this stand, but more, this thing is strong. Oh my god, your phone, I'm not sure it's going to fall. I don't know. It's very strong, like it's very strong, very strong, just like one wrap of I'm just joking. So this is the stand, I guess. Okay, so the box is empty. So I feel that, because I've already watched the video on how to do that, but if you don't know how to do that, you can just watch my video and let's do it together. So this part is going to fix in here, this loop here. So I'm just going to, okay, just going to do this. I don't know why it's looking old. Maybe because it wasn't inside any wrap. And if you notice, the minute I opened it, everything just came out. So I feel maybe that's the fault. It's not tight, you know. Okay, it's tight now. Oh no, guys, this stand is very strong. The stand is strong. Let me not bad. Okay, so the next at this stage, I don't know what we are supposed to do. So I saw them pressing something inside. Was it not like this? I saw them pressing something. These people should not laugh at me. Okay, so let me just let me remove this stuff and see. Okay, so kilo day. Okay, let me try this way. This is working. What's up? Oh, is there something else missing here? I don't know. Maybe there's something missing. Maybe the stand is not complete, because it's supposed to enter now. It's not entering. So at this point, guys, I'm confused. I'm just confused. So I'll just go ahead and figure this out. But this is how the stand looks like. It's very small. It's small, guys, it's small. But it's not even coming up. I feel that this stand is not complete. I feel it's not complete. I just feel that it's not complete. There's something that is supposed to be here, because this is the picture of it. So there's something that is supposed to be here. This is this part. Then there's something that's supposed to be here that is going to allow you to fix this point. So I feel that the stand is not complete. I'm going to contact her. Okay, I'm going to contact her. So guys, you can see what I bought. You can see that's it. And maybe if I end up fixing it properly, I'm going to take a picture of it. Okay, and if I don't end up fixing it, maybe this is how you're going to see the video. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful. Yeah, so I figured out how to do it. Okay, what really happened was that this stuff was inside here. So this stuff, actually, let me show you this stuff was inside, like it went inside like this, so you have to bring it out. It was inside this way, so you can see that the stand is complete. Then you have to bring it out, bring it out. This is the end of it. It's not actually long. It's not actually long. I think if you have this comb at home, just decide the height of this comb and then add a little of this part. So that's its size, that's the height, that's the highest height of this stand. It's not taller than it. Then I'm going to put this stuff here and roll it down so that this stuff can't go down anymore. If you don't roll here, this stuff will go down. So then you pin this like this. Voila. You can see it's very, the stand is okay, but if you're talking about the height is not so tall. The height is not so tall, so you have to release this part. Then you fix this ball here. Then you screw it in like this. So if you want to stop this from going up and down, you have to tighten this knob right here. This knob, so it's not moving any longer. And then you can turn your phone like this. Though I don't really like this stand because of this stuff, because if this stand is really good, it's going to last. But if it wants to start spoiling, it's going to start from this point, because by the time we keep on turning and rotating this stuff, I don't know. Yeah. So that's my whole review on this stand.